So this is doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. This is a carrier oil that's non-greasy, no smell. It helps the essential oil. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Passion Essential Oil Blend. Have you lost your why, your mojo, or your passion? Too much of even a good thing can become predictable and boring over time. The doTERRA Passion Inspiring Blend of spice and herb essential oils will help you rekindle excitement in your life. I mean, you may even feel like jumping out of an airplane, diving into an ocean, or just trying some really scary thing like dancing. Or maybe you just want to use the oil and create a little more excitement in your life. Either way, with the doTERRA Passion Blend, you will find some daring ways to try something new, as well as discover a renewed joy for the current blessings in your life. The top two ways to use doTERRA's Passion Essential Oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, that's right, you can put it there. The main benefits of this oil blend are that it helps enhance passion and excitement for life. I mean, we all need that. The directions for use are inhaling from the bottle directly or placing 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands, rubbing your hands together, and then cupping them and breathing them in deeply. You can also apply it under your wrists, behind your ears, back of your neck, or over your heart area, or on the reflex points on the bottoms of your feet for best results. And I like to use a fractionated coconut oil for that. So this is doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. This is a carrier oil that's non-greasy, no smell. It helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin, covers larger surface areas of your body, and it helps to reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil. And so this is a great topical application partner. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.